Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the distance units in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then drag this section at the bottom of the page up to enable more functions. And then at the account and the settings section, click on the settings button. And here at the general section, click on the units button. And within this, there's a distance section where you can see 4 different units that you can set. So just click on the one that you want to use, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.